Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to use enumerations to change what appears on your widget depending on where you open it from. The reason why I'm doing this is a followation from my options menu and main menu tutorial. So when you open options menu from the pause menu, you can obviously change everything perfectly fine, click apply, and then when you go back to the pause menu, you can start the game like nothing happened. But if you open it from the main menu, you can see to pause menu button still appears, but obviously you can't go to the pause menu because you've not started the game. So I'm just going to show you guys how to remove that button depending on where you open it from. So without further ado, let's get into it. So what you want to do first is open Unreal Engine. I'm using 5.53, but this should work on any Unreal Engine 5 project. You either want to make a first or third person template, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to be using my already made full game menu, so feel free to do the same. Once everything is opened, what you want to do first is create a new folder for your enumeration. So I've got everything in the UI folder, so I'd recommend you do it there. Go to Blueprint, Enumerations, and you obviously get up that by right clicking. So right click, Blueprint, Enumerations, and we'll call it E_options Enums. Just delete that one. Okay, so you want to double click it to open it and add 2 more enumerations. You want to name the first one main menu, opened from main menu. And the second one opened from options menu. This will just tell us where we're opening it from, just to make everything a bit more readable and understandable. So you want to open your options menu, go to the event graph and create a new variable called E_options menu context. And the variable type, we want it to be our newly made enumeration. So as you can see, mine is E_options enums. So I'll just type that in, E_options enums, like so. Next, you want to click Instance Editable so we can edit it in the other blueprints. Compile and save that. Then you want to go to your Start menu, which is here. Go to the event graph and you want to find where your on-clicked to the options menu is. So when my main menu starts, my options button is here. So if you just click on your options button, on-clicked, it'll take you to where it is. In between the create widget blueprint and the add to viewport, you want to go from the return value and get your newly made variable, which was E_options menu context. You want to set it, connect it like so, and set it to open from main menu because this is the start game menu. You pretty much just want to do the same for the pause menu, but obviously change what the value is. So for the options button, unclicked. Here, just drag these a bit to the right. Go to return value, options menu context. Oh, sorry, we need to set it. Options menu context set, open from options menu, just so everything knows that this is the pause menu that is being opened from. Not open from option menu, sorry, pause menu, but that doesn't really matter too much. So lastly, what you want to do is go to your pause menu or your options menu, sorry, and get event pre-construct. And then you want to get off this pin, switch on E_options enums, which is just the enumeration we made here. You want to get your variable for the options menu context and plug it in there. And then you want to get visibility for both. Set visibility, I'll just copy and paste it using Control V and then plug it like that. You want to get the, the options menu button. So this is the to pause menu, which is here. So we'll find it in the variables tab, to pause menu, and plug it in here and here. Like so. And then if it's opened from the main menu, we want it to be hidden. And if it's open from the options menu, we want it to be visible. So basically all this is before the widget blueprint is constructed, it will switch to one of these depending on where it's open from. If it's open from the main menu, you won't see the to pause menu button, but if it is open from the options menu or the pause menu, it will be visible. So if we compile and save, and we can test it out. So P options, you can go back to pause menu, but if you open it from the main menu, the button has disappeared and you can't click it. That'll be all for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you and have a blessed day.